Okay, I told you that I was going to talk a little bit more about the things that y'all want to talk about and answer questions that y'all have. And one of the things that I get asked all the time is, man, how do you get your teeth so white? Or they look good, they're so bright. You smile, it's so great. Well, let me tell you, I'm glad that people notice because they cost me enough that I want people to notice them. But let me tell you about that, okay? If you have bad teeth, you kind of don't smile and you're not too happy about things because it hurts, and it's not any fun to eat anything because it hurts to eat things. And I had bad teeth. Nothing I did would help them. It's just one of those things I inherited. I tried to take care of them, and I broke a tooth eating spaghetti. Okay? It's just sometimes you have bad teeth. Sometimes you have an accident and get teeth knocked out. Sometimes you do something stupid and get teeth knocked out. And sometimes maybe you've done something that was not taking care of them or was bad for them, and that caused problems. Whatever the problem is, you've got bad teeth. So what do you do about it? I had, at the age of 47, all my teeth removed, and I got full implant replacement, top and bottom. And yes, it's expensive. I could have bought a new car, but my teeth were more important to me than a car was. I was miserable. I couldn't eat. I was in pain all the time. So I found a place here in Fort Worth after lots of research that I trusted and wanted to go with, and that's the dental implant place. There are lots of good places to go. Be sure you do your research. But I am not embarrassed that I have fake teeth, false teeth, not my original teeth, however people like to say that, but I have teeth that work, and that makes me very happy. And a lot of questions are, oh, well, you've got false teeth. Can you eat this? Can you eat that? Can you eat tortilla chips at the restaurant? Yes, I can. Can you eat nuts? Yes, I can. I can eat raw almonds. I can eat roasted almonds. I can eat raw carrot sticks. I can take a bite out of an apple and not worry about it. And it's incredible. I love having teeth that work for me and do not hurt. So if you have questions, ask me. I am not embarrassed to tell you about my teeth at all. As the Santa Claus in Miracle on 34th Street said, I'm as old as my tongue and a little older than my teeth. Well, yes, I am. But I can eat anything I want now. It was a 1-year journey, 13 months of actually from the time it was extracted to the time that these were in place. I got some dentures along the way, to fill in the gap during some healing time, and some temporaries that were fixed in place. Mine don't remove. There's different kinds. So if you have questions about dentures or implants, the removable implant, the fixed implant, what I've got, ask. I'm not embarrassed to tell you. I'll tell you about anything along the journey that I can. So there's you something to think about.